Hello and welcome to week 5. For week 5, the first thing that you're going to do is complete your reading assignments. This week for your reading assignments, you'll read argument analysis, all sections, argument and digital writing, you'll read all of those sections, and then finally putting it together. And you've got your Prezi to capture the main points. All right, as you move into this week, you're going to begin to draft project number 2. Project number 2 is going to be your review of literature or a literature review. They call it both things, but ultimately you're setting up the research behind what you're going to discover in the primary research portion of your ethnography. So what a literature review considers is previous investigations of your topic, and it establishes the conversation surrounding it. So your introduction is going to form the argument you intend to prove about your site, culture, or group. The body paragraphs are going to show through previous research that your argument is necessary and important. I'm going to delete this out. Sorry, you will not need to include a counter argument, but you will need to include a conclusion. So just realize that that's going to be eliminated from the criteria. All right, you're going to use all 4 of your scholarly sources. You've summarized those in annotated bibliography number 1 and 2, and these are going to support your claim. You can always include more than 4 sources, whether they're scholarly or popular, but you do need those 4 scholarly sources. Your paper will be at least 3 to 5 pages long in an MLA format. You're going to include both in-text citations and a works cited page, and you'll include the subtitles in order to clarify the content of each section. In MLA format, those subtitles are called level 2 headings, at least the primary subtitles are. And level 2 headings are left aligned in all capital letters and in a different font. So in this case, maybe Georgia instead of Times New Roman than what you're using for the rest of your paper. And you can see the sample project number 2 that illustrates how this looks put all together. All right, so that leads me to just a handout on writing literature reviews. This just walks you through the process so that you become a little more familiar with it. But you've been reading literature reviews in your scholarly articles all this semester, so you've got a good idea of what they look like as they lay out all of the research that has previously been done on your topic. And then you've got a sample project number 2. And like I said, that will walk you through, the conventions for your level 2 headings. You'll see the integration of the sources in the text of the paper. Remember, it's author page number for MLA format, and then finally, if you scroll all the way down, you'll see the works cited page. All right, so that gives you the information to prepare you to turn in the project number 2 rough draft and to participate in the peer review forum. Just like before, you're going to upload your draft, you're going to locate a classmate's draft and answer the following questions. And as I said previously, you want to be a good classmate. If you notice that someone has not yet received a review, choose that classmate so that everybody equally gets an opportunity for a review. Short set of questions here for you to answer, but put some thought into providing your classmate with the kind of information he or she could use to improve the paper going into that final copy phase. And if you've got questions about any of the work for week 5, just let me know.